Hey guys, this is Brian from Trading Elevated, back today with another recap. So in the morning we re-entered back into Monday's range, near the value area. This is also near yesterday's highs. Going into today, we were looking for internals to give insights of what type of day it would be. If we saw buyer aggression, we would look to execute quickly short side. If we balance, we would wait for profile to develop, confirming our trades before taking anything. As far as the long side goes, we would only look to buy the dip if there was no real selling. This is because we're still near all-time highs. Now, moving on to the trade you see on screen, this was taken roughly 2 hours after market open. At this point, we had safely established that it was another balanced day with a 4 wide point of control. Our plan now was to fade any dip or spike from point of control. We took a long at 108.5, taking half off at 1.75 and taking the rest off near point of control for 2.75. We didn't want to overstay our welcome since tick was chopping around at this point from negative 400 to 400, leaving us with no clear bias. Now without further ado, let's hop right into a snippet of this morning's live stream.
Looking at mid to low 90s for the long side, near point of control at 30.93. I'm at 31.10 for the starter. At 109. I'm at 109. I want to see tick hold below zero, preferably below negative 200. Some offers, popping up. Took off for a point on 1/4 just to lock something in. I'm not liking those bids at 109s. Okay, I want tick holding below negative 200. That would be very ideal. Taking off at 105, one piece, another piece at 103, and okay, this time if tick can't hold below negative 200 and delta doesn't sell off, I'm going to take it off for even or near even. Delta selling a bit. Built a decent amount of value, about 4 wide. Now, I'm not looking to be short. Starter 108.5. We'll add lower. This is just a starter. If you can't take heat, I would be conservative and wait for lower. And my target is at 3111.5 point of control. I took half off at 10.25. Out to 11.25.
All right, guys, that does it for today's recap. Make sure to check us out at www.tradingelevated.com. Other than that, I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye.